We know if it is a trial or a punishment for us. We should deal with that in the proper way. I should not think too much about this is a punishment or a trial. I should not think in this way too much. The point is, I should follow the sunnah. So if there is a problem, okay, if someone discovers that he has a disease, okay, he will be shocked maybe. Okay, now don't think, well, this is a punishment or a trial. Don't think, but this is a problem. So you should say, Alhamdulillah ala kulli hal. Inna lillah wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Allahumma ajurni fi musibati wa akhluf li khayran minha. And try your best to do more good deeds. And try to avoid the sins. And of course, you should think about yourself. I have to check that if I'm doing sins or not. Okay? Maybe. Allahu A'lam. This is because of a sin or not. Or it is a test. Allahu A'lam. Okay, if you know that it is a test, so what should you do? You should ignore it? Okay, I should not ignore it. I should take a decision in the correct way to increase my worship, to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to also to think about the sins that I'm doing, because I'm not free of sins.